And we are staying on top of breaking news this morning out of Limestone County. A mistrial just declared in the mass murder trial of the Elkmont teenager accused of killing his family. I'm Alex Torres-Perez.
And I'm Marie Waxel. We want to go straight to Way 31's Matt Kroschel this morning, who's been in the courtroom since the very beginning. Matt, we understand you got some new information about what's next for Mason Sisk.
Marie, the judge already issuing an order to have a new trial date for February 2023. That will give both sides time to process what has happened here, a mistrial in this high-profile case. Mason Sisk facing multiple counts of capital murder in the deaths of 5 family members at an Elkmont home back in 2019. Video from the last 5 days as Mason came to this courtroom and heard the evidence against him. The prosecutors telling us just within the last 20 minutes that, of course, they will retry this case despite the amount of information and the amount of time that has gone into this. Mason Sisk's defense team telling us that they consider this a win. They realize this will not get Mason out of jail, where he will remain without bond, but they do say that all of this mistrial talk and all of that has to do with a cell phone and the FBI. It's what we've been reporting on for the last couple of days. That surprise information coming from the district attorney's office that the FBI had managed to unlock a cell phone belonging to victim Mary Sisk. That information, thousands of documents, text messages, images on that phone, just handed over to the defense over the weekend. They say that they haven't even been able to get into any of the text message threads except for one that they presented today. They say there's information on just that text message thread that they could have used to help better defend their client. So the jury told to leave. They've been told that thank you for your time. This was, of course, a very difficult trial to sit through the evidence in this case. And I actually spoke to a couple of the jury members after they were told that their services were no longer needed. We'll have much more on their take and where they were at right now as the defense was supposed to start their side of this case. The state rested their case last week on Friday, and we were on recess this weekend, so it was supposed to be the defense's turn, but they didn't even make any arguments today, even call a single witness. They say that this mistrial was needed because they need more time to go through this cell phone. Now, there's still information out there that has not been reviewed by anyone, and that is a cell phone belonging to John Sisk, the father. That phone was also sent to the FBI and is still there right now. It's been ordered back here to Limestone County. The judge says they don't want to have to go through this again. If by some chance the FBI is able to unlock that phone, they're going to give the defense a chance to send it off to their own experts to see if they can unlock it. So a lot happening here so far this morning. We started at 8:30 and we are unpacking exactly what lies ahead, but we do know there will be another trial early next year. For now, live in Limestone County, Matt Kroschel, Way 31 News.